Okay, let's do problem 9. This is in 5.2. Okay, so it says you roll 2 fair dice. You always assume for us this is 6-sided. So it's 6 sides with a die. Each side's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Okay, and the outcomes are in it. Forget A. Let's ignore A. Let's just do B, the other ones, okay? So find probability of getting a 5 on the green and a 3 on the red. Well, let's look at this one. Let's look at B. So how many rolls, how many possible total number of rolls, as you saw in the lecture? So we know the total number of rolls is 36. How many rolls have a 5 on the green and a 3 on the red? In fact, in this case, one single roll, 5 on the green and 3 on the red. There's one single roll with that property. So in fact, for B, the answer is just 1 over 36. And likewise, the answer for C is also 1 over 36. Let's look at D now. D says, well, what's probability that you get, well, 5 on the first possibility, 5 on the green and 3 on the red, or you get other way around. You get 3 on the green, 5 on the red. Well, there's 1 for this one, and another possibility there. So for D, we get 2 out of 36, which we should simplify, dividing 2 into the top and bottom. We get 1 out of 18 for D. Let's try some slightly harder ones. Okay, so let's see. Let's look at this one. So now, again, we roll 2 fair dice. Say 1 is green, 1 is red. So we know the total number of outcomes, right? A total number of outcomes is still 36. So I want to figure out how many outcomes is for A. How many outcomes are favorable to that one? So how many ways can you get a sum of 6? Well, let's see. How many? The dies are 1 through 6, so we could get 6. We could do, well, 1 plus 5 gets me to 6, or 2 plus 4 gets me to 6, or 3 plus 3. Now the order matters. Like we're thinking of the first column, this column right here, as being the green die, and that one as being the red die. So we could also get 4 plus 2, it's a way of getting 6, and 5 plus 1. So we see we have a total of, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways to get 6. So for A, we get 5 over 36. There we go. And there's nothing to simplify there, so we're done. Let's try B. For B, what is the probability of getting a sum of 4? So the same idea. We'll just see how many ways we can get 4. So here it's 1 plus 3, 2 plus 2, or 3 plus 1. So for B, we get 1, 2, 3 possibilities, which is 3 out of 36. And here we can simplify. So let's do it. So 3 goes into the top once, and 3 goes into the bottom 12 times. So our answer for B is 1/12. Last one, C. Notice C, what it says. It says, what is the probability of getting a sum of 6 or 4? So I want to count all the possibilities in A, count all of these 5, and then also count those 3, because it says or. Either way is fine. So in this case, for C, we get 5 plus 3, or 8 ways of getting a sum of 6 or 4 over 36. And then we want to simplify this, so we could divide, say, 4 into the top and bottom. So this gets us to 2 over 9.